everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're gonna go casual. I'm gonna shoot some videos downstairs. It's hot up there and I thought, you know what, let's just take it easy. I'm gonna open a couple of XO Marshmallows to get us started, so we'll have a nice little marshmallow tasting, and let's get into it. So I have two boxes of XO Marshmallow here. I have opened the boxes, but I have not opened the boxes. So I have no idea what the flavors are, what our bonuses are. We're in theory gonna have 4 to try because there are 2 in each box. They do this subscription box. It is $29.95. It comes monthly and you get 2 boxes of marshmallows. One is the marshmallow of the month flavor and the other, I'm not sure how they decide it. And you get a bonus item. So we're just gonna get right in here. I'm gonna hope that I've opened what I think is the July one first. Take out some of the wrapping. It comes really well wrapped. Actually, this one is, once again, they send it in the summer. I wasn't sure when June's came in this, if it was something they would do all summer, but we have July's in it again. We, in theory, have our bonus items. Wow, it looks like there's 2, so we'll get to that. So our paperwork will tell us on the back what the July flavor of the month is and what our other flavor is. We're not gonna look at that yet. What we're gonna do first is our bonus items. So our first, which we happen to have 2 this time. Oh, I bet this is gonna be a cup. Oh, wow. You guys know I always have, I show you upstairs sometimes, a glass of ice water. I have one with me at all times. So I am always happy to order and or receive water bottles and straws. This is a set of 4 colored straws and a cleaning brush. And there seems to be a bag in here too to store them in that says, "When I sip, you sip, we sip." That is so cute. So this is the first, this is a good bonus this month. So this is the first part. We have the bag and the straws and the brush. Now, let's check out what I believe is a cup we're gonna use these in. And this, wow, look how pretty that is with the rainbow. This is our water bottle. It is a 50 ml glass water bottle with protective sleeve and handle. It is suitable for food, not dishwasher safe, and not microwave safe. This is a really nice bonus this month. Well, it would have been July's month. When we take it out, it has the little carrier. This is really handy. And then that has, I hope, wow, is there a way to get it so that you guys can see that insignia? It says somewhere, and then there's a rainbow, so I guess somewhere. Kind of fun. All right, this was a good bonus this month. So we have that and the straws. Although the straws don't necessarily go with this because this is just a screw-off cap, but these will definitely get used. Digging right into the July marshmallows. Oh, we received as our extra, I didn't know that they did this. Instead of getting a second box of 12 marshmallows, we got one of their XO Marshmallows OMGs. I've actually had one of these before. It came in one of the boxes that I received. This one is vanilla. That is yummy. I have been doing Weight Watchers lately, and I don't know if you know anything about the new Weight Watchers, or WW as they call it. They hate sugar. They are patently anti-sugar, so working these into my diet is not gonna be easy. I don't know if you can see, but that is what the top looks like. You can tell it's just white, and you can see kind of the air bubbles in it. This is 2 tablespoons is 40 calories, so if I have just a little, it'll be fine. Okay. The marshmallow of the month is, ooh, Pina Colada. And they are yellow and white. They look yummy. They are gluten-free, egg-free, no added preservatives. So you have to read the back of these because they are not all gluten-free, egg-free. They all have different qualities to them each month. Those are really pretty. All right, we're gonna taste all this in a minute. I'm gonna try and get my husband out here to taste this with us. He's working, but I'm sure he'll take some time away. Ooh, there's no calorie information on this. Well, eek. The paperwork says about this one, July's mallow, close your eyes and imagine you're on a beach surrounded by salty, sweet ocean and coconut trees. That's the image we had in mind when crafting these Pina Colada marshmallows. Coconut, pineapple, and rum blended into the perfect bite of paradise. And then they say paired with a classic. As versatile as it is delicious, our vanilla OMG is great to top off your cocoa, dip fruit in, or our gluten-free grams in, or even scoop right out of the pint. We love to keep our pints in the fridge or freezer, but you can keep them at room temp too. So I'm going to say, since they said they're gluten-free grams, that this is also gluten-free. Is that true? Doesn't seem to be bragging about it. But yes, looking at the ingredients, I would say this is also gluten-free. Okay, let's dig into August. This might be the best bonus yet. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. We have like, it's like a thermal, it's like a lunchbox. It is a lunchbox, I'd say. That is so awesome. Wow, they've really stepped up. They heard I was thinking about quitting. They've really stepped up their bonus game. Wow. All right. So in theory, they probably did this because of summer. They didn't have to do one of these bags. Yeah. And the inside is just, oh, I hope that didn't bother anybody. Just a nice little lunchbox. That's cool. And I can't see anywhere on here that it's branded to tell you who made this bag. It looks like a really nice quality just to be a random bag, but it's super cute. It has a nice zipper front pocket, and I love the floral print. Okay, it's not about the zipper bag. The first marshmallow that was in it, here, I'll show you guys. Now you know before I do. What is it? Salted caramel. I love caramels. Caramel is one of my favorite flavors. Here's the thing. I'm not sure why they salt everything. It's okay. I like salted caramel, but I just like a regular caramel better. Oh, this has nutrition information on it. That is very interesting since the other one didn't. So, you know what? It's probably all different, but I'm going to go ahead and assume that this is what it is. 3 marshmallows is 100 calories. Do you think that's true? That doesn't seem too bad. Okay, that is our first marshmallow. And our second is, have we had these? This is the sour apple marshmallow. Is this the one that was so sour? I feel like the one that was super sour before was yellow. So we'll see how this one does. Uh-oh, how am I losing my lighting? It is bright sunshine outside. This one, again, has no nutritional information, but it is gluten-free, egg-free, and preservative-free. Did we talk about that on this one? Gluten-free, tree nut-free, and egg-free. So they have different qualities about them. The paperwork says that the apple is August's mallow. Sweet to the core, these sour apple marshmallows are the best part of fresh Granny Smith apples and 90s candy. Like apple picking right from the home, enjoy these mallows in a cup of cider, in a s'more, or as dessert all on their own. That's interesting to put it in cider. I wonder if they'll still be good. You know what? They have dates on them. When are these good until? November 11th. So I could save them for the fall. We'll try them. And then the salted caramel says, salted caramel is our favorite flavor to instantly upgrade a s'more. Sea salt and Wonderland made caramel are all it takes to bring this best-selling marshmallow from dream to reality. Okay, so that is our August box. So our August box had our 2 boxes of marshmallows, and this was our bonus. And it is a really cute lunch bag. And then our July box for our bonuses, we had the water bottle, which is a glass water bottle and this neoprene cover, and then the metal reusable straws, and our 2 marshmallows. It was something different that we've never had before. We got the pina colada marshmallows, but then we got the OMG. So let me open these up and get my husband, and we'll do a taste test. I am back with my husband, who is of course off camera. First, we're going to try this. This is the OMG. It's just vanilla. They say you can treat it like anything you want. Whipped cream, you can make it cold and treat it like ice cream. You can put it on anything you want. I'm mostly going to lean on him for these flavors, but that's a spoon. Oh, okay, there's a nice spoonful of it. Here, you eat that first. I mean, vanilla, how can you go wrong, right? Kind of like whipped cream. It would be awesome on hot cocoa. You know, it would melt right in, sit on top, kind of like whipped cream. Or on, oh, you know, I have my Javi now on top of the homemade coffee that I do with the Javi. I have to make that video.
It reminds me of the marshmallow icing that we used to get on cake sometimes.
Oh, like Grammy used to make that 7-minute icing. This is better than that, because
yeah.
Bless her heart, rest her soul. Okay, we're gonna go into the marshmallows. I cut us each halves. So we have salted caramel, which I thought we would start with because I thought we would start sweet, and then yes, pardon my paper plates, I went classy here. And then pina colada and sour apple. So I thought we'd start with sweet so we didn't ruin it, because we all know how I feel about the sour. We don't want to ruin it with the sour apple. I got almost no flavor from that.
Almost no flavor. Yeah, I mean, there was just a little bit on the back end, but not really much.
Very, very subtle. No salt. There was none of the saltiness to it, I don't think.
Yeah. If you didn't tell me that it was a flavored marshmallow, I wouldn't know.
I would agree. That is probably, of all of the XO Marshmallow ones that I have had, that is probably the one with the least amount of whatever they claim the flavor is to it. It has almost no flavor.
Yeah.
Okay, next let's go with Pina Colada. This is the cool looking yellow one.
I got the smell of it more so initially than I
Didn't even
got
smell it.
flavor.
Yeah, there's, all I get is the coconut.
Yeah, just coconut.
And it's very, again, very, very subtle. All of these so far, I'm hoping that holds true for the sour apple, but all of these so far have been a more subtle scent than any of the ones we've had in the past.
I agree.
Okay. Here you go with the sour apple. Is it too sour for me? Should I try
No,
it?
it's not too sour.
Okay. Just apple.
Yeah, once again, very subtle.
But the apple's there.
Yeah, absolutely.
They should have just taken the word sour out of it. You guys have seen me eat sour if you watch my past videos. I do not do sour well, and I would not call that sour. If somebody, like you said about the other thing, if somebody handed me that, I could probably work out that it was apple. I would never add the word sour.
Agreed.
Okay, so these were all good. I mean,
Yeah.
you'll eat them all.
Yes.
But none of them were like, oh, like some we've had in the past. You know, the bourbon one. Oh, that's an all-time favorite on here. What else have we had? Oh, the creamsicle. So we've had some that had really pungent flavors. These are all very subtle. So we had the pina colada, the salted caramel, and the green apple. And we got Mr. Kathrin to come out and taste them with us. So that's fun. Thank you for participating. I'm just going to give him these now because I even ate only half of my halves because, you know what? If they had been fantastic, I probably would have. But I don't know that it's worth blowing my diet for. They're just very subtle. All right. There we go. Still very good, but much more subtle flavor this time. He's finishing up my parts. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.